guys so much for coming. It's been a huge blessing to have a group like P&G and Pampers that support me not only being an Olympic athlete, but with having Arlen, it just seemed like the perfect fit.
What were some of the things that your parents instilled in you to help you become an athlete, and what sort of things do you plan to instill in Arlen?
Just kind of being there to protect him, but not wanting him to have fear and wanting to know that he can explore everything and climb everything. We've always just kind of let him play with things.
How has your view of motherhood changed now that you are a mother?
I thought that I knew what being tired was. Just from the amount of hours and the amount of training, I was like, oh, I know. No, I didn't. I definitely have a lot more appreciation for my own mom. I took my mom out for dinner and just thanked her for everything that she has put up with me over the years. Thank you guys so much for coming. That was wonderful. It was great to meet all of you, and I can't wait to read the blogs.